What's there?
Fish! Oh, that's fish. That's no.
Eh?
That's fish. That's not rope. I thought that's fish.
Wait, I've just pulled up because I thought it was rope. I had something there now.
That's fish. Are you seeing it? On the right hand screen. That's fish. That's fish. Go on, Davey. Both of us. Fish on!
Fish
on! Oh, and it's off.
I'm off.
I'm off.
I think it's maybe going back like that.
Up! Ah!
Wow.
Oh, come on, get a hold. We're hitting fish here.
Well, I'm sorry, pal, but you're going to have to go back. Too big, lad. You're too big.
I've got... Yes! Yeah, fish on!
He's going.
Mine's a small one. Hurry up and get down.
He's going. That's definitely a pile of fish.
That's a pile of fish, that.
Very good.
That showed like rope.
Ah, that's what I pulled up and they were following.
Oh, and it's just come off. There it is.
I see that I.
Oh, it's tearing the lure. I might need a new lure.
Well, at least you got it when you had a few knocks on that.
And it's off. We're off the blanket, Beadnell. That'll do me. Tap, 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 tap. Go on, look at this, look at this. They're there. They're just the wrong side.
It's not happening to me now, look. It must be smell. Look at that.
Ragging on.
That's a better fish. Feels better. Might head him to the back.
Hurry up. Grand now, what's something here?
John!
Right on the mark. That's a Tommy, is it?
He feels a little bit bigger, but he's not big enough.
Slayed by Davey Dodds as usual.
See you soon. Honey lad. Davey Book Rabbit on the fish. On the fish. On the fish. Davey Book Rabbit on the fish. Holy Jeffy moly.
Worth it? Oh, I thought it might have been a keeper that.
It's a shame.
Oh, we're covered in fish.
Oh.
Aye, hurry up.
See you soon.
There you are, fish.
Honey lad. Where? No, get some. I want a fish for me, see? Chris, you let me do, man. Send me the little mark where the little fish is.
See your gear going. Ah, fish!
Go on, Max.
Off.
Ah, Chris. Hey, sharpen your hooks before you come out.
These are new. Ah,
Yeah, laddie.
fish!
Hey, a bad laddie, lad.
Ooh.
Ooh, keeper.
Ooh, could this be it?
Could it be
Actually, aye.
a Nigel Mansell?
Knock, knock, knock. Steady away, steady away.
Oh! You forgot to say fish on. Oh, no. That might be out of an hour. Hard to see.
Yeah.
It's been in him, mate, and he's a langin. But he's size, mate. But it's
No,
little.
he's not size.
Definitely size, that. 25. Put it next to my foot.
He's sized, but look at the depth
Aye,
of him.
so
There's
too little.
nothing on him. No.
He's alright.
I'm off the landed blank, you see.
Alright.
So why are you hanging?
You can.
Oh! Doesn't count if you don't see a fish on. They are wearing the fish again.
Right, we'll just keep jamming back on through here.
Tommy!
I forgot to tell him, but he's really
Oh.
good.
Oh, come on. We're not going to have a day of this, are we?
Looks like it. There's got to be big ones among these little
Oh, there
fellas.
has to be.
Station! I want to get two of them.
Ah, that was a tap.
I wish I didn't Davey lights are in the eye now.
You've got time to get them on. It's early. Oh, that's thin and long.
No,
these.
isn't it? You're thin and long.
Must be after the spawn.
That's got the length, but it hasn't got the
depth. It's not worth it.
No.
That's a fish. Yes.
Oh, let a few go by, man.
Oh, hey.
Yeah.
Aye.
Such a laddie, that laddie. Yeah.
Fish on.
Show. You showing my son?
Got a scrap in this one. The other one was just a deed white.
That'll make this great.
Is it?
Oh, come forward, definitely. Oh, that's a keeper, isn't it? Looks a keeper. You should be getting a bigger fish for that. Is it? That? Keep that one. That's
No.
Yes, that's a keeper, that one.
Nah, not for me.
Well, keep it for me, just in case you can get any more big ones. That's definitely a keeper, that one. A little bit bigger.
There you go. Keep it in. Nearly.
What about doing me fillet knife?
Oh, your penny knife.
Oh, it's in my bag, man. I've got a fish on here.
So, fish on.
I've got a fish on. Can you let this? Look my knife.
Ooh, could be a good keeper, this.
I'm gonna have to get this fish.
What, covered in fish again?
He's off now.
There he is. What we got? What we got? He's definitely a keeper.
Oh.
That's a proper keeper.
Ring Tommy. Tell him that's lifting with fish here.
Getting tangled up here.
I'll get me knife out when I get this fish.
Aye.
Right?
There you go. Proper one.
Proper.
Oh, no. These borderline size.
Too thin. Would you say?
Probably up and going straight back to him. Up there, mate, for 2 minutes.
Well, this size, that way. Was it a boy? Aye, well, that was actually thick with fish. We've just come off them, but there's loads up here.
Oh, fish on!
I had to tell him. I can't see this. I'll tell you that, I bet that was, you know, lost your rudder for. I think that was a decent fish.
No, it was just one of these.
Tell you what, I'm not getting a bigger fish, mate. Isn't it?
Ra, ba,
What, now it is.
la. Like that. He's got belly on him. Keep him on up.
Yeah, hold him.
Point two.
Oh, you fucker.
Oi.
Is that a sealer? What?
It's a pot.
Oh, this. Right, we keep all this on. We've got him up the arse. This is my biggest fish.
The day's not over yet.
Huh?
The day's not over yet. What we got? Yeah, there he is. There's your biggest. That's a Beadnell keeper. He's go up gently, he's just lift.
That's a proper Beadnell fish. Any?
Way high.
Hi, soon.
What's in his belly? It's hard. Yeah.
Crabs.
Crabs. Is
That's
it?
eating.
Aye.
Well, that's why you can't keep it.
That's what you're here at Beadnell for. Pulled into something.
I didn't like the looks of that.
Fish on! Hey! got one there.
Oh, I'm on rope here.
Oh yeah?
Just felt one gun, they're all gun here.
Oh Christ. I bet it's that boy in front of us behind us.
Is that what it is? What about 15 fish?
Back in the midday hole.
Aye.
What you lost?
Ah, look at the...
Hey!
Look at that. I knew I'd lost it. Might actually put one of them on, like, I put one on.
Fish! Fish on!
I want to try. Oh.
Yeah.
See that?
Got some fight in this one. Edit, I'll not show them. Get a pink one, you got a pink one.
Yeah, that's right. This is my new one. Can we get the net, Thomas?
Hey. He's got a belly on this one.
Hacking them in.
He's...
I was hacking them in the fourth, Thomas.
You could keep it. Because, but he's just feeding like the clatters.
That's me new. Keep good.
Came off the fish and then we went
Still looks like in the water.
Fish on the way up.
Fish on the wheel.
Aye, fish on! He was a long way off the
That red one, Huggy.
No, way off. He's got a charter, you can see the bodies on the back. They're sprats.
Get them on the lures and the baits, sir. Aye.
Lures and bait.
Aye. Or both. Aye, that'd be Huggy.
Spin.
That would be Doug's.
Using squid.
I'm using squid, aye.
And again.
Tommy said 4 pound, that's back here, man. Yes, that must be fish anymore.
But they could be all smiling.
Oh, Jesus Christ. That took me.
Get the net! Get the net!
Yo! What enough? Want this time, mate.
Aye.
Me messing about there.
Keeper? Yes, it is. No.
Borderline, I think. Get the net, Tommy! Yo! Oh, Tommy, lifting, man.
Come on, and then 3 pins again.
That'll be big, this thing. One pull doing that. Me messing about there.
I'm getting pickles and tackle.
On the Davey light. On the Davey light, Tim.
Huh?
On the Davey light.
Someone chasing me.
Of the daylight.
I'm being chased.
Oh.
You knocking?
No, I think it was a bomb.
I think that was the bottom for me as well.
Scanner, like Thomas. What? Scanner.
Fish on the way up. Bah! Hey!
Yeah.
Ooh, it's an ooh fish. It's an ooh fish.
Ooh.
Ooh!
It's a net fish, get the net.
Christ, you're scaring the fish off with them lures. They're too big. Them lures you're using. Maybe it is an ooh fish now. There he is.
Okay, put that come no beer like. Oh, it's a nice head. Keep up. Keep up. Oh, look at that. 3 pounder. 3.5 pounder.
3.5. Get the net!
Start editing, Chris.
Start editing this. As soon as Tommy comes up, my videos just become a nightmare.
Why would you take that?
F this!
Baby, let me run.
There's a bloody fish on. got a flipping fish on.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Had a fish on. That was a show, that. There you are. Look, look.
Oh, hey, that
There you are.
whapping
There you are.
me here.
Look, look at me.
Oh, they're whapping me now, but they're not very big, Chris.
Fish on! Oh, it's just a little one.
Little, I'm seeing they're hitting me now. Look at that, just little.
There might be a corey.
Seeing the little ones out, Tommy. Tommy, some little ones coming over for you.
Hey, out for D. Out for a bit of sport.
Aye, aye.
Oh,
Well, that's
hey,
little ones, that's big
the
and
smallest of the day.
Oh, nah.
Oh God, I nearly lost him. Sweet.
Look, he's on his way over to you, Tommy. Yeah.
Fish on the wheel!
Oh,
hey.
fish on the wheel.
Hey.
Hey, Tommy, fish on the wheel up. Fish on the wheel, dude.
There it is. As quick as that, because it's shallow.
Oh, shallow.
He's a dark one. He is a dark one. Aye, there's a one for you.
Right, hey, Tommy. Oh, sinker's still there. That's weird.
That's a fish. That is a fish off.
Fish
Come
off,
on.
Tommy.
That was a big one.
Fish off, Tommy. I've got. Oh. That's a fish. Fish on!
I'm picking this one, it's fine.
Look, there's a keep off because it feels like it.
No, can be. If you want it to be.
I'm doing set it feel.
Cool your jet, funny lad. Cool your jet, funny lad.
I will keep him. I mean, you could.
Try everywhere. If there's nothing there, then we'll go back up there.
Putties over there. You could go in there, well, that, this side of it.
We've actually that's a fish.
Aye. I'll fucking lean you of this, I think. Oh, he's taking line.
Taking line! Taking line! Gently.
Not that big, I thought it was bigger than that, like. Not that big.
No.
Get in that tub! You said there was fish coming up, didn't you? Marvellous.
Davey Dodds. Right.
In there.
Oh, where we're going.
Whoa,
Another one.
Beyond!
I want the bait here.
A very good fish. Yeah. Tiddly.
And then so the text line. Oh, beat you for the smallest fish of the day.
Nice tune. Any lad.
Maybe it's not rough here. That's a fish on the way up. Yo! Hey!
You better watch out. You better watch out.
You've got me anchored here, thank you very much.
Chris keeps putting me. Oh, that's a hooker weight.
Yeah. Welcome to my world.
Yeah,
Man,
just a
that's full of
little in.
We are looking fish. Huh?
Welcome to my world.
Well, these experimental colours catch.
Deep here, Chris. I knew I'd
Only
lost the
60
hook.
feet.
You?
There you go. You do.
That's rope, that like. Definitely rope.
Is there not ghost gear somewhere here?
Probably is, that's what it is.
That's a fish!
That's fish when I move the water. Not nice, but
Ah, is it? Fish on! He was tight on the bottom, him.
I just dropped the bottom now, you know, down the gear.
Oh, straight through the nose, he wasn't going to come off. Keeper!
Wasn't big enough.
That's decent. Fish! Straight back! Ooh, Davey.
Buddy.
Oh, Davey, hurry up, man, that's fish. Fish on the fish finder. Fish on!
I don't know who that is, but never mind.
Ooh, lad. Oh, yes! Yo! He's a...
I'm not answering this, you'll go and boil.
Come here. Yeah.
Oh, he's a nice one, Chris.
Yeah, problem.
Jesus.
He's absolutely
The fish on the screen now?
mullered. That one.
Squid heed. You got him.
2 at once.
Decent one.
Bit of action here. Can I keep up?
I'm gonna play him straight back to him because
Kind of think why.
now I don't know who was ringing me, but
Fish here. Fish here, Davey again.
decent ones in now. I just hit the bottom and then I got that in.
Fish on! Like that!
Tommy, it's lifting
Oh, yes! Oh. Get up! You're too busy. Oh, he's tiny. Hey, how on earth did you put a bend like that in me road? Look at this. Straight back to it. How many was that? 4?
I think we should move back there.
Tommy, we're gonna move.
Going back well, started right.
Movie.
Back well, we hit.
Fish on. Literally, it must have followed us down.
Well, I've
I've
had
just
one on
moved.
as well.
Just hang fire because there's fish still here.
Oh,
Fish! Fish on!
what a decent one now.
Ah, come on. Oh, Davey, you're spinning the boat. You're
Sorry.
spinning the boat. Stop it.
Now, man.
You should see the fish, the screen, if you can turn yourself around.
There he is.
Fish! Ooh, no you're not, no you're not, no, you are a keeper.
Him, I'll keep him. We've got to let him. We've got to keep him for it. Oh, he's swim bladders out. Strange, isn't it? I'm gonna
Get in! I didn't put the camera on in time. This is where we've got all that flurry of action. Right here.
Something like that, you mean?
Yeah. Ew! Actually, if we're straight up and doing, I might go to my metal rod now.
There you go. ain't got the bends. Hey, shoot!
Get on the speed jigs.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got mine on auto. What's that, a screw, is it?
Fish on!
Is it
On
screw?
the metal! Hey hey! There!
You on the metal?
Aye, I can see him coming up the fish finder, out the kelp.
The
Aye.
kelp do that, like.
Aye.
Yeah, that was something on kelp. Didn't know what it is. I'm fitting that same thing again now. Yeah, I'm fitting the same thing.
Yeah.
Lost down McGee on that stuff again. That same bloody. Well, both. I felt the hook gone off there.
There we go.
Being old rough doing that kind of fish. You look. There's
God, that falls off the bottom.
yeah.
Ew! Fish on! Where's it?
Oh yeah, drifting onto them, Tommy.
Yeah. Fish finger.
I wish it was bigger, but like them squid heat, like. Fish on! Oh, Thomas!
Aye, that's fish, yeah.
Loads of fish here, Tom. You'll be drifting on them. Fish finger. But it's a fish. That's what we're here for, son. Jay.
Fish on! On these off. Back on!
It's on the metal.
On the metal. On the speedy jig. He followed me up and down. Fish. Watch yourself, Davey. There he is, just a little in, but it's a fish.
It's a fish.
It's a fish all the same.
If you get a couple on size for Tommy, keep a couple for Tommy.
Oh,
On size.
we're gonna hat
You ain't got me. I've got a couple in there in here.
Yeah. Little one. You tell them and tell them, you tell them every trip. Shit, 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 shit.
Oh, that's in the end of that bird, mate. Isn't it?
Tip wrapping, I got a fish on!
Yeah, come for the metals, mate.
Slack
See,
water.
to be able to see them, you see.
Slack water.
Aye.
Away, Tommy! See, you try not to rub it in, but you keep telling them this is what you need to do. We told them last year what to do. Aye!
You pulled the boat run, put me in a fast hard, Christopher. That is a little one, not me.
One hook on the inside, one hook on the outside. It's all the small stuff coming up to play now.
Rodney is serious, brilliant rod. Gives a go of it now when. There you go, snap.
Fish, fish, fish.
Yeah,
No!
no.
Fish on!
But, what's it, isn't it?
Second smallest of the day.
I wish I'd had one of your metals with no. Let's have a look at my thing, see what I've got. I didn't think I fetched any luas because I
There we
thought,
go.
I'm not going to bother for it. It's more gear. I think you should have had. Oh!
Now this is going to be interesting. What's it on? The bottom hook or the jig?
Your wrap, Chris.
I know.
He's come up for that.
Fish on! The lobster.
Yeah, you.
I'm not. That's a whole crab.
I thought this was a big fish. Yeah, bugger. Chris, get that, needs a keeper anyway.
On a bare hook.
Huh?
A whole swimmer crab.
Right.
Caught castle folded.
Oh, straight in. Oh.
So I'm just not gonna fish anymore. I'm just gonna
Look as though you are.
No, I'm just gonna gut the fish as he's catching them.
I think your father would drop down and see if we can get her one out. Put that down, drop one down.
Oh, we're in rough run, that's why. Finger.
Finger, but it's a fish. Doesn't he doesn't want to come in? Look, he's playing. He's playing in the water. Oh, Chris. Oh, yeah. Oh. This is a good one. This is as big as that other one, anyway. Look at that, fought like a bloody... Fought like
Still
shit.
size, along on him.
Oh, he's nicked me beard again. Oh shit.
Fish on! Off!
Lost me biggins. That's somebody fingering you.
Where?
You ain't seen me.
It's just took me.
Yeah, joking. Has it? The struggle snapped.
It's me and Lewis come off.
Come on, yeah.
Me Lewis just come off somehow.
Just what he's in with them. He's checking them off. Oh, that's a fish, oh. Oh, that won't be all worried.
It might be.
I'll get it back.
There's a fish down there with my lure and it's come off. Keeper?
It feels like it, but I'm not too sure now.
They've been telling lies lately.
I pulled one in a boat and I thought it was 10 line and it wasn't that big. What do you
That's
reckon?
a keeper.
And he's guessed what he's done.
You're joking. The speed jig on the bottom. That's a fish. Hey! Fish on! Decent.
Give that a tummy.
Oh!
Oh, he's a decent one.
Well, I don't know this rod very well for fish-wise.
That's why I didn't like using
You want to see Brad's? It's the same as this, and you pulls in 180-pound halibut on them because they're solid carbon.
to keep an eye on.
Yes, it is.
Nice.
Thank you.
Oh, it's lifting with fish, Chris. I've just hit the bottom. I'm in, look.
Get in.
Oh, I've lost them.
You'll come back, you'll come back.
I hit the bottom, tied me line up, and it just went woo.
Oh, yes.
Oh, Jesus Christ, this is a big one. This is a big one. This is the biggest one of the day. I'm hoping. Can I mark it for?
Really?
No. See if it's gonna come up.
No, think positive. Don't do that, please. Busy now. Actually, wait, the longest.
Big, that. Honest to God, he's a canyon bud, isn't he?
But for Davey Dodds.
Yeah.
That's a fresh run though.
Yeah. Cans up there. Your line, you thread your line up there and it comes at the top. You gone in, Lee?
I've got to get back for 3 o'clock for that guy coming from something.
Alright.
20 to 2, do you want to head in?
I think we're going in now, ho. Do you want a couple of fish?
Ah, lad, we're going to call it a day.
Call it a day.
Yeah, call it a day. I think we've got 14 fish. Sounds a lot.
I think we're about 15, haven't we?
14 or 15, aye. 12, might be 15 actually. Who cares? Sounds a lot, but
15.
I've got nothing in the freezer. My sister wants some.
How
so does
many
Tommy.
fish are we putting back? Little fellas.
You'll see on the video. I'll count them on the video.
Right, whose gear's this? Is that mine?
That's yours.
Right, I'll just
Oh, lad. So it's time to go. We are done at Beadnell again. Hell of a day. Hell of a good day. What? Yeah. Home time. We'll see you on the next one. And we'll knock you off. See you again. Say bye, Dave.
Bye bye now.